Hey, so I'm gonna go ahead and go through the application. This is basically the source code, and there is a distribution file. This is going to be uploaded to the submission, and I'm gonna copy it and paste it here in this testing folder and extract all this content. It's gonna take some time. Where's the extract? Oh, there you go. So extract it, and yeah, it's gonna take a while. So there's a lot of you know files in here, but I'm gonna show you real quick the application remote environment. This URL is on the report, and basically this is the remote environment of the application. It's the whole uh, Docker image using a Heroku service that is the Heroku container registry that basically allows you to upload those images to that registry and build the container to run the application. So it's a really cool feature. Um, I really enjoy using Docker on this project. I see the benefits of it because you don't need to run, and you're gonna see it once um, the files are extracted. You don't need to have any requisites on your local machine. You just need to have Docker running and then just run the application. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty neat. Um, Here's the folder. So I'm going to show you real quick how it's done. Let's go ahead and open a terminal. In my case, I use git bash shell. And the first thing is just making sure that you're running the Docker daemon on your local machine. And here it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and on the root folder of the application use docker compose run. Sorry, docker compose up. Yeah, so that is going to start the application. I'm just gonna show you real quick on the Docker desktop what is running. So it's basically running the Redis server and the Django application server as well at the same time. So that's pretty cool. That's the main reason why I containerized the application is because I needed the Redis um, server for the chat implementation. Okay, so now that that's up and running, I'm just gonna go ahead and go to localhost, and you can see that the application is running. And I'm gonna start with a teacher so I can show you the whole flow. Basically, if you go here and log in as a teacher, you can see first the list of your courses that you have created. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a new course. And it's real simple. The models of the application have like, and I'm gonna show you real quick here. Uh, Let me open the VS Code. The models are really simple, and that's something I really like about the whole design of the app because there are like 2 or 3 attributes, and the rest are just relationships. So it's a really simple, really plain and straightforward database design. So building on top of that was real simple. I never get any complex situation uh, regarding the models and database migrations. So I'm gonna create a new course, whatever. This is optional, so I'm not gonna do that now. So new course, and then the course have associated lessons to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and create the first lesson, and this is important. This this is a widget from CK Editor 5, and what this does is allowing you to have a rich text editor in the application. So instead of a simple text input, this allows you to have paragraphs and headings and quotes even. So this feels more like a course because you can have like all this kind of format on the content of the course. So that's cool. And for this, uh, there is you can upload files, any kind of file actually. You can put executables if you want, um, and upload them, and this will create a zip file that is downloadable to the students as well, which content all the resources of for that lesson. So that's a cool feature, and I decided to put it that way. We can actually, as a teacher, go look for profiles for if you want to have a look at students or teachers as well, and go to his profile and see, hey, here's the student, and here are his updates. So that's cool. Let's go and see the student side of things. So if I go ahead and log in as a student, um, here. So the first things that students take a look at is the update. This is like the main page, and you can go ahead and put new update, and we are using the same rich text editor for updates as well. So create a list of whatever you need and post that. And here is the recent updates. We can see the list of courses that the students enroll right now. So this is the course one. And we can search for courses. And as you can see, this is the new course that we created. Um, this is rating. So let's go to this course, enroll, and I'm enrolled now. So I have access to the lessons of the course. So we're keeping track of the progress of the course. So there's currently I have no lessons completed. But if I go to the lesson and see the lesson, the title, the description, the content, and then I can download the resources that the lesson has. So when I'm done with that, I just mark this one as completed, and that's pretty much done. I completed the course since it's only one lesson length, and I can just say super course to leave a feedback on the course, rate it as 5, and submit my feedback. It only allows you to give one feedback. So yeah, going back, you can see that I'm enrolled in the course, and it has a medium rating of 5 stars because I just leave a really high rating. So the courses has a course chat that I'm going to show you real quick. Let's launch a private window, and then I'm going to log in as a different user. I think the password for this one is this. Okay. So let's go to here. Oh, that's not the one. That's the one. Okay. So I can go and search for the same course, enroll, and you can see that the course chat is available for me because I enroll in the course. So I open it, this one, and this opens the WebSocket connection, so I can start like typing hey. So as you can see, I write up as my user at this time, and if I go to the other page, here is the chat going on, so I can say hey, how is it going, or whatever. So there is like a two-way communication on this one. That's basically it. We can also run the test, and I'm going to show you real quick how that is done. On this folder, you just need to open a new terminal, and you don't need to install any requirements. You just need to go ahead and done docker compose run server, Python manage py test. This basically puts on the server um, environment or image, puts us inside this Docker container and run the Python manage py test command. And as you can see, test a run, and everything seems to be okay. So I guess that's it. Thanks for your time, and yeah, goodbye.